Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're going to make something together step by step. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just something simple and beautiful.
Creative over 60, still shining, still so risky, living out the story I was meant to write.
Hey, this is Shelly with Shelly's Creative Author Life, and thank you so much for joining me for this Canva tutorial. Now, if you watched the first video, you've already opened Canva. If not, that's okay too. Just follow along. I want this to be nice and easy. Let's get into Canva. So friends, we are in Canva now, and I would like for you to click on templates over on your sidebar. And we're going to start with step 1. So look for your sidebar over here, and I want you to click templates. And so when you go to templates, this is what you're going to see. All of these different templates. Many of these are inspired by my designs. So you're going to see something like this. And it is so wonderful to have all of these ideas at your fingertips. So when you have time, go ahead and explore the different templates because that will help you get familiar with Canva. So the first thing we're going to do today, step 1, we are going to create a design. So looking at our sidebar, the first thing you're going to do is click create. And so the last time we created an Instagram post, but this time we're going to create an Instagram post. We're going to do something a little different with it. So I'd like for you to click Instagram post. And that's going to give us a nice, simple space to work with. It's taking a few seconds, but here we go. We have our Instagram posts. And over on the left side, I'd like for you to look at the templates. So if you'll go back up on your sidebar and click templates. Okay. If you'll move over and scroll down, you'll see different templates here. And just slowly take a moment and look at those. Don't let it overwhelm you. Just look at the different templates available to you. I always enjoy this part, just scrolling and looking at the different ideas. And I'm looking for something that's going to feel calm and pretty to me. And so you do the same thing. Look for something that feels calm and pretty to you. So for some reason that popped off. There it is. Okay. Now, step 3, let's click on something that you like. I'm going to find something that I like, but you find something that you like. And sometimes, you can actually search for something, but I want us to look at something that's on here now that we can play around with today. So let me mention this to you. As you look at the different possible Instagram posts that you want to create, if you'll notice the little crowns. Now, the little crowns are for the pro account. I have the pro account because I use Canva all the time. But if you don't have the pro account, you should be able to find something that's free that you can play around with today. Like this one right here, this coffee menu, that is free. And this one right here, new product, that one is free. So there are some that are free, but if you notice it has a little crown on it, go ahead, and you don't have the pro account, go ahead and skip that one because you'll have to pay for it. And we just want to play around today. We don't want to have to pay for anything today. We just want to find something that we like that's free. And that's what I'd like for you to do today. So just scroll through and see something that you like. Sometimes it takes a little bit to find something that you like that's beautiful to you. And you just have to continue to just kind of look and see what you like. So let's see here. Now I'm going to experiment with this one. Now this one is from a pro account, but I'm going to experiment with you. And if you had more time, we could probably kind of do a search, and maybe we'll do a search the next time we're here. But I want to just play around with this one, okay? Because it's pretty easy to change it up. And so I'm going to go ahead and change it up. So let me walk you through how to change something up. So this one, new print available, I really don't want that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then if you go up to the little trash can, you can take it off. So let's look at the title. Spring is here. I love that. So if you wanted to change it to say something else, we could do, so you would click on it, and then I would say spring gives me new life. Okay. All right. So you see how I changed that? All right. So then I think I want to find another picture that reflects, what I'm looking for. So if you go over to the sidebar, let's go to Photos. And let's do a search. Go up where it says Search, and I want to do spring flowers. And press Enter. And so let's look at the spring flowers. Just kind of scroll through. See if there's something that you like. And I like this one. So let's click on it. So you see how I clicked on that? But you know what I want to do? I want to take this one off, and I want to just delete the image, and I want to put my flowers there. And see how that did it? So this is not a print, so we're going to click on this, and we're going to go ahead and delete that because we don't want that on there. We're going to do something different. And let's go ahead over to text. We're going to grab our text, and I'm going to bring it down. If you can't see that, there's that little plus sign and you can bring it down. And then we're going to put something else here. And let's highlight that. And let's delete that. And let's say every day is a fresh start. Okay. So because this is coming over the edges, let's go up to the top and let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay. Now, if we wanted to, we could change the font color, the color of our text. We can move it up like this. We can move that down. And here we have it. So what I always like to do is I always like to add my website address. So I'm going to make this a little smaller. So you just click on the minus sign and I'm going to add my website address. You can add your social media if you want. You know, you could add the name of your company. So this is Shelley's Creative, and I'm going to make it smaller. Smaller Life, authorlife.com. And then I'm going to make it smaller because I don't want it to overwhelm my quotes. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit like that. And let's see if everything is straight. Let me remove this. Okay. So when you click on it, you notice a line right there. That's letting you know that what you're doing is straight. I think last week it was a little off. But if you kind of move it, you see the numbers is telling me that it is straight with my photograph. Let's do my website. And this is just a little test to make sure everything is straight. So, okay. All right. Just kind of playing around with it. It looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Oh, wow. I would love to see yours. This is so amazing. You know, you can also just, if you want to continue to play with it, you could change the background of your color. Change your background. So you see, this is kind of like a beige. So if you went up and clicked at the top right there, right here, click, and you could change your color if you wanted to change it to like more of a light cream color. You could do that. If you look down, it gives you the photo colors. And so you could get the colors that are related to your photo. But I like the first color. So I'm going to go up here at the top and I'm going to click undo. And so my color is the same. It goes back. But you can always change it, guys. And just like that, you created something not complicated, not stressful, but something that you made. When I first made my first graphic, I was just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I've done this. I've learned that. And so I'm hoping that you have the same excitement. And so if you want to download this or you want to share it, go up into the right hand corner and click on share and go to download. And then you want to download it as a PNG. And so you could do a JPEG, but I do PNG. And so just click download. And it downloads at the bottom. and it will go into your file. And then Spring Gives Me Life, and then you click Save, and your Instagram post is in your file. And so all you have to do is go to your Instagram, and then your file will be there for you to add. And sometimes I like to move it from my file into my photographs, and so on my phone, so it's just much easier for me to upload it to Instagram. But I hope that you enjoyed this today. And let's see, the next time we are going to work on choosing fonts without feeling overwhelmed, because that part can get a little tricky. We talked a little bit about it last week, but we're going to go through it step by step. All righty, friends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep playing around with it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think about Canva. And I mean, the sky is the limit to what you can create. I'm hoping that once we get into this and we get the hang of it, that we can start doing some a book cover or something like that. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Tell your friends about the tutorials if you know someone who wants to learn how to use Canva. Please tell them about me. Please share my channel. And subscribe, please, because I could really use your support to grow my channel. I love helping people. So I hope you come back next Sunday because I'll have another lesson on Canva. Take care. Bye bye.
I'm creative.